Let's write the sound together. Hello children, welcome back again to my channel. Wow, who is excited? Okay, so today we're going to be learning to write the sound word. Okay, so if you're new here, my name is favourtheteacher and you are highly welcome to this channel. So you're joining us today to watch this video on how to write the sound But then, if you have not learned to write the sound down to please, I would want you to go down to the description and we have the details there, or you go to the playlist and find how to write what sounds to z and watch from the beginning. Then you can come in to join us to write the sound Okay, so right now we are moving on and I want you to look up the screen and I want to be sure that you can say your sounds, right? 1, 2, go! A, B, K, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, L, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, W, X, Y, Z. Wow, that was super fantastic. Give yourself a tush clap. Roll it up, tush, and let it go down. Amazing. Okay, children. So I'm going to be showing you some sounds randomly and I want you to tell me what sound it is, okay? So we're going to be identifying what sound is this. I didn't hear that. The sound what? Yeah. Amazing. Good job. And what about this sound? Like you are what? Hopping. Yay. Can you see? This stands for what? Hen. The hen, right? All right. And what about this one? The sound what? B. Good job. Wow. Mrs. Ezebuchi is super proud of you. And what sound is this? The sound what? Amazing. Well done, children. And what about this sound? Like you're licking your lollipop. Yay. Okay, and what about this sound? What sound is this? I didn't hear that. Did you say B? Look again. Let's see. Over here. So what sound is this? For what? Bus. And what sound is this? The sound what? D. For dog. For dog. And the sound like you are hitting your drum. So let me pretend to hit my table like a drum. Woo! Okay, can we move up? What sound is this one here? The sound what? Good job. And what about this one? The sound k. Amazing. For what? Cats. Good job. And what sound is this? Amazing. What? Like mommy's meal is so delicious. And what sound is this? Amazing what? like your jam. And what about this word? Amazing. Good job. And what sound is this? Like the sound of a snake. Amazing. All right, so I have over here the kicking word for king or your key. And what about this sound here? Good job. And finally, what about this one? Amazing word. Good job. And now over here, what sound is this? The sound for your net. And this is amazing because we are going up to write the sound I am super proud of you. You have identified all your sounds. Give yourself a tush clap. Roll it up, tush, and let it go down. Wow, amazing. Okay, children, you can see Mrs. Ezebuchi has her board over here. I'm going to adjust my table and my chair. And we're going to be learning today to write the sound what? Very easy. So we have a stroke down. Can you see that? Up the same line, down the hill, and the loop. Did you see that? Again, a stroke down, up to the top, up over there. Can you see? Down the same line, and the loop. That's your what? Again, a stroke down, stroke up the same line, down the hill, and the loop. Did you see that? That's how we write our amazing. One more thing, remember when we are writing our or any sound, you don't lift your pen up. I didn't do this. Take my hands up, come here, curve down the hill and the loop. No, you have to do stroke down, up the same line. Did you see that? I'm up there. Can you see where I am? Down the hill and the loop. Did you see? Wow. So let's do it again over here. Stroke down, up the same line, down the hill and the loop. Did you see over here? That's how to write the sound So do we want to try that? So get your pen and your pencil and let's do it. One to go. A stroke down, stroke up the same line, down the hill and the loop. Again, stroke down, up the same line, down the hill and the loop. Again, stroke down, stroke up the same line, down the hill and the loop. Good job. I am super proud of you. Wow, amazing. Okay, so right now we're going to be connecting these sounds. We're going to be connecting this to what? All the other sounds we have learned. So let's go. Are you ready? Who is excited? All right, so let's go. The first on our sound is what? The sound ah. And this is how we write ah, stroke down and the loop, right? After ah, we have what? B. Stroke down, stroke up to the middle, and a curve, right? Okay. A, B, back, curve. Again, A, B, K, D. Good job. Back curve, stroke up, down the same line. Oh, that's a mistake. So let's do it again. A back curve, up, down the same line, and the loop. A, B, K, D. The next is what? E. Amazing. A dash and a back curve. A, B, K, D. E. What? Amazing. Up curve, down, make a swing and a dash. A, B, K, D, F. Amazing word. G. A back curve, stroke up, down the same line and make a swing. A, B, K, D, F, G. Good job. Stroke down, up to the middle, down the hill and the loop. A, B, K, D, F, G. E. Good job. A stroke down, a loop and a dot. Let's go again. A, B, K, D, F, G, E. Fantastic word. J, J, J. Good. Stroke down, make a swing and a dot, right? Again, can we move on? Yay. Okay. This way. A, B, K, D, F, G, E, J. A kicking word. K. A stroke down, up to the middle, curve in, out, and a loop. Did you see that? A, B, K, D, F, G, E, J, K. Like you're licking your lollipop. A stroke down and the loop, right? A, B, K, D, F, G, E, J, K. A stroke down, stroke up, down the hill, stroke up the same line, down the hill, and the what? Loop, right? So let's go again. Can you see? A, B, K, D, F, G, E, J, K. Good job. A stroke down, stroke up the same line, down the hill and the loop. Amazing. Did you see what we just did over here? We have learned to write A to what? Are you happy with yourself? Yay, that's amazing. Okay, children, I am super proud of you, okay? So all I need you to do now is go and practice again how to write a sound from A and connect it to what? But before we go again, let's flip over here and let's write together. How do we write again? One to go, a stroke down, stroke up to the same line, down the hill and the loop. Again, stroke down, up the same line, down the hill and the loop. Again, stroke down, up the same line, down the hill and the loop. Amazing. All right, children, so this is the end of our video, and today we learned how to write what? The sound and we also connected from A to what? How do we write it again? Stroke down, stroke up to the stroke down, up the same line, down the hill and the loop. Again, stroke down, up the same line, down the hill and the loop. Fantastic. Okay, children, I am super proud of you. So this is the end of our video, and I want you to keep practicing, and I would see you in the next video where we learn to write the sound what? I didn't hear that. The sound amazing. Okay, children, so see you. Don't forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like this video and share. Okay, bye.